everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be talking about the Pandora Music review. So basically, Pandora Music is a stream service known for personalized music radio, but its feature lag behind competitor like Spotify. While it offers a free and ad-supported options and a paid trial for an ad-free experience as well. You could also do offline listening and on-demand playback. Users have reported issues with its outdated interface and a limited playlist control as well. So what you need to do is start a station by searching for an artist, song, or a genre. As you listen up, the thumbs up and the thumbs down button to teach Pandora your preferences, and it will circulate more music like what you enjoy. And a personalized feed that suggests stations based on your listening history, time of day, and a mode, providing diverse recommendations and a Pandora exclusive as well. And you could also access a range of podcasts and listen to Pandora Stories, which mixes music track with an exclusive behind the music commentary from an artist itself as well. And with Pandora Plus or Premium, you could download stations and other content for listening when you don't have any internet connections as well. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.